Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the place where we help you avoid buyer's remorse bigger than your last online shopping spree. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with two heavyweights, the GorFanty Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop. One promises to make your floors sparkle like a diamond, while the other, well, let's see if it can keep up. So grab your mop and bucket, or just sit back and watch us do the dirty work. Let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. GorFanty comes in at a cool $119, while Newbealer is a steal at $104. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of Newbealer, calling it a great budget option. However, GorFanty is praised for its extra features that justify the higher price. If you're on a budget, Newbealer is a fantastic choice. But if you want to splurge for added functionalities, GorFanty is your go-to. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty: heating time and temperature. Both steamers heat up in just 20 seconds, which is impressive. However, GorFanty maxes out at 230 degrees Fahrenheit, while Newbealer cranks it up to a fiery 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers of Newbealer rave about its powerful steam that tackles tough stains effectively, making it a hot contender for those looking for high-temperature steam cleaning. So if you want the hotter head in the steam cleaning game, Newbealer wins this round. Next, let's talk about the water tank size. GorFanty has a 300 milliliters tank, while Newbealer has a slightly smaller 250 milliliters tank. Reviewers of GorFanty love its longer cleaning time without needing to refill, making it ideal for larger spaces. Newbealer users, however, find the smaller tank sufficient for their needs. So GorFanty takes this round for the win with more water, less hassle. Let's get to the fun part: attachments. GorFanty comes with 10 accessories that can clean everything from your kitchen to your cat's toys, which reviewers adore for its versatility. Newbealer has fewer attachments, but still offers a solid cleaning package. Reviewers appreciate the utility of both, but GorFanty clearly takes the crown with its extensive accessory set. If you want the ultimate cleaning arsenal, GorFanty gets the gold star. Now, let's weigh in on the weight. GorFanty is a lightweight champion, but Newbealer is even lighter at just 3.96 pounds. Reviewers of Newbealer love its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver, especially for those with kids and pets. If you've ever tried carrying a heavy mop around, you know it's a hassle. So, if you want something that won't give you a hernia while cleaning, Newbealer wins this round for being the featherweight of steam mops. In summary, both the GorFanty and Newbealer steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. GorFanty is highly praised for its versatility, large water tank, and extensive attachments, while Newbealer garners appreciation for its powerful steam, lightweight design, and affordability. Both products have their loyal fans, making them great choices depending on your cleaning needs. So, there you have it. In the battle of GorFanty versus Newbealer, we've got a mix of wins and losses for both. GorFanty shines with its extra accessories and larger water tank, while Newbealer comes in hot with its powerful steam and lighter design. Ultimately, it comes down to your cleaning needs and budget. Do you need an all-out cleaning arsenal? Or are you looking for something lightweight and efficient? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. And remember, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen, or just get a steam mop. See you next time, smart buyers.